At the beginning of every new year, we make New Year resolutions or set New Year goals. And most of the times, we do not get to realize these goals or these resolutions or even forget them by the end of the first month. And this is simply because the goals we set for ourselves are not smart enough. And by smart, I mean the goals are not specific. They are not measurable. They are not achievable. They are not relevant, and they are not time-bound. Instead of saying you are going to focus on your health, you could get specific by saying you are going to exercise more, or you are going to exercise for 30 minutes each day for the next 6 months. That is specific. That is very measurable. That is achievable. It is very relevant to your health, and it is also time-bound. Here are the top 15 New Year resolutions. 1. Prioritize your health by exercising more, watching your diet, drinking a lot of water, and making sure you check your blood pressure, your cholesterol, your blood sugar, and others regularly. 2. Learn a new skill. The only way you can ever achieve what you've never achieved before is by doing what you've never done before. To not only focus on upgrading your cell phones, but also upgrade yourself by learning new skills. 3. Spend below your means. There is no way you can ever save if you do not spend below your means. And to do this, you need to be able to make a budget and to stick to it. And as much as possible, avoid impulse spending. 4. Get a passive source of income. This is called investment. There is no way you can ever save your way to wealth. So the only way out is to invest in something that can continue to give you money if you were to stop working today. If you cannot do it alone, then try to partner with some trusted friends or family. 5. Do some charitable works. You can do this maybe by helping the less privileged through volunteering, through donations or otherwise. And this is one of the best ways you can ever give back to society. And it is very, very rewarding. 6. Mind your business. Try as much as possible not to lose focus for any reason. Stay on your lane. Run your race at your own pace. And stop comparing with others, such that your focus should be on becoming a better version of yourself each day. 7. Spend more time with your loved ones. This gives you a unique opportunity to bond with them, especially knowing that your loved ones can actually be your best team members. 8. Watch who you associate with. If the people you associate with are not those people who challenge you, are not like-minded people who can help you to grow, then you need to knock them off. Because you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most of your time with. 9. Read more books. As the saying goes, the secrets to happiness and success are hidden in books. And a good book can change your life. So challenge yourself to read at least 2 or 3 books every month. Especially books that focus on personal growth and personal development. 10. Listen more and say less. That is the reason why we have 2 ears and 1 mouth. When you talk, you tend to mostly say just what you know. But when you listen, you give yourself the opportunity to learn new things. 11. Embrace change. You have to be dynamic. Have a growth mindset and remain open-minded, because you do not learn anything in life if you think you know everything. or if you think you're always right. 12. Be visionary. If what you did yesterday or what you did last year still looks very big to you today, then it means you haven't done enough since then. You need to keep challenging yourself, and you will see how you'll be able to achieve even more as time goes on. 13. Let go of the past. Avoid dwelling on the past mistakes and move on. Remember that you are not your mistakes, and there is very little you can do to change those mistakes. Let your past be a lesson and not a prison. 14. Watch less TV. That will give you the opportunity to focus on more important things, like your personal growth and development, and it will tune you out of bad frequencies. And as much as possible, you also need to regulate your screen time. 15. Take control of your happiness. Your happiness is your entire responsibility. And do not make the mistake of putting the keys to your happiness in someone else's pocket. For the only thing you'll get out of that will be regret.